And for more on the local impacts and the fact that we're already dealing with some of ththose squalls moving in, meteorologist Dave Warren.
We'll start to see a few more bands here setting up. This is a real-time Doppler radar, and as you're getting these moving through, the rain comes down and the wind picks up. It's not sustained tropical storm force, but certainly you're seeing that with the way of it gusting there right now. This was the one band that we just saw move through there around Miami and Kendall, Cutler Bay. Even a few lightning strikes being picked up here. So here's the close-up view, shows exactly where this is, and just went through Miami, right over parts of South Beach and over Biscayne Bay. This is slowly pushing north, and the rain itself is moving in from northeast to southwest. Very heavy rain there just south of the airport. So these bands will be coming in. They're setting up. They're coming in already. The wind picks up as these move through. And a little farther view, we can see there's still some bands well offshore. And this next one here, this will be a little stronger. And there's some lightning strikes. You're seeing the lightning there off in the eastern sky. So look at this movement. Now, what's going to happen here as soon as you start to pick up the center of the storm here, which is down around here, now we're going to start getting position updates each hour, and that certainly will be key in tracking this storm as it moves to the west and eventually makes that north turn. But that's the center of the storm right there, picked up with the radar. The radar's, the storm's within about 300 miles, so that's when you start to see that's about the range of the radar. So we're keeping an eye on that. But in the meantime, watch this band here, this one stronger band that'll continue to move through. It's right around Miami right now, and just that stronger one to the south. There it is, right towards the Keys and continuing to push through. So the biggest change with the forecast, with a little slight change in track, could be the flooding potential. There is a flash flood watch in effect and flood watches in effect, and this flash flood watch here is due to the lake. With the wind setting up, it could actually start to rock the water in the lake, and that poses a potential for it to go over some of the dikes to the south there. So that could lead to some flash flooding. This will be later today as the wind picks up, and we certainly get a bit more rain coming through the area. But we do have some sites across the area, and these are picking up wind gusts already. 52 in Coconut Grove, east-northeast wind now at 12, but that higher gust as you get these bands of rain coming through. 40s in Key Biscayne, Coral Gables. Likely we'll see these numbers going up and becoming a bit more widespread here over the next few hours. So the initial bands are starting to push through, that wind and rain picking up, and it'll become a bit more frequent here throughout the day. Back to you.